Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're having a look at the PowerVac 2700 from Flymo, a toolless quick change conversion system. A powerful and easy to use electric garden blowing is perfect to blow, vacuum and shred leaves for a tidy garden. This toolless quick change feature easily converts from blow to vac. So we was in the local supermarket and we saw these advertised at a club card price of £49 instead of £79. So I thought, well, I do like my Flymo and I do like the Flymo lawnmower, and I really like that. There's a few videos of my Flymo on my channel. So I thought we'd give the PowerVac a go and see what it's like. So let me show you. So this is the PowerVac 2700, and they do a PowerVac 3000, which is very similar, and it's a leaf scraper, quickly clear away stubborn leaves, shred leaves, reducing volume, 2700 watts, it is a cable, the bag holds 40 litres and it mulches 14:1. And there's a quick change from blower to vacuum. So we've already got it out, so I'm going to show you what we got. So this is the unit itself, the Flymo PowerVac 2700, and it's got a on and off switch here, and it's a multi-handle function unit. So when we're blowing, we hold it like this, and when we're vacuuming, we hold it like this. When we're vacuuming, we hold it like this. When we're blowing, we hold it like this. We come with some parts. That's the blower tube, which clips on. And when we use the blower tube, we use the grid to cover over the bottom. And then we've got the vacuum. So this comes in two sections, and they clip together, just making sure the two pins for the bag is on the same edge. And then that's our tube. And then we've got the Flymo bag, which collects all the cuttings, and that clips on to the same as the blower using the vacuum option. So let me show you how to set it up. So for the blower option, we use the grid, we place it underneath, and it clips in. It's got to clip in, and it's got to be flat. So that goes on, making sure it's flat, and then it swivels round, and then it gives a click, and this has to be screwed on. If this doesn't screw on, then it doesn't make the connection and it will cut off. So once that's done, you can hear it click, and that means it's in position, and the gap here has to have the guard in place. And all we do is clip the front on the front, and that's our blower. So that's easy to use. If we want to convert it back into the vacuum, we take the front part off, the bag clips on the front, this one comes undone, turn it round, and then it comes off. And then the blower has the same function, fits on the vacuum, slips round, and then the same function, making sure it's lined up properly, and then it can be screwed in place. This wasn't actually lined up properly, so I've got to do it again. Otherwise it won't. So there we go. Keep it flat, and there we go. Now it's clipped in properly, and it will screw up. And now we've turned this into our vacuum. The bag has got two clips. They clip onto the funnel. 1, 2, and there we go. And that is the vacuum ready for sucking up the leaves. So there we go. We've got a pretty full bag. So let's have a look at what we got. That's all our leaves and our branches, all nicely chopped. This is going to make a great mulch around the plants. We'll combine this with some leaf cuttings, with some grass cuttings. It's going to make a great compost. So look at that, I'm really pleased about how finely that's cut. I do need to be aware of what branches are being sucked up there, because it did block a couple of times. But that's what we got from our PowerVac. So there we go. That's the PowerVac 2700, and it's made some lovely boxes of shredded leaves. Now this can be used as leaf mould. It's going to break down even quicker, being nice and smaller. And we can also mix this with some food waste or some leaves, some grass, and that's going to make some ideal compost. So there we go. That's the Flymo PowerVac 2700. So let me know in the comments, have you used a garden blower or garden shredder? Let me know in the comments. And this would be really great for adding our mulch. So, quite pleased. We shall see how it goes during the season.